How to buy off AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy off AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to buy stuff from AliExpress, this is what you do. Open up the app and log in into your account. You can simply create an account from your Google account as well. It's really simple. Just log in. After you log in, find the stuff that you want. So here you'll find different sections: home, shop, cart, account, and many more. So if you head over to cart, let me clear out my cart first. So I'll just select everything, clear it out, and after deleting everything, here I'll just clean this out and show you what the empty cart looks like. This is your empty cart. Now, if I add something here, such as let's say this watch, this one right here, I'll just open the watch up, then add it to cart. Choose which you want. Then you can go to your cart. If you can head back and go to your cart, and you can see the item has been added to my cart. So I can add multiple things to my cart. So let's say that this mouse right here, add it to cart, tap on continue, and it's been added to the cart. And after adding it to the cart, you can now again notice that there are two things. So you can now actually buy multiple things all at once by selecting these like this and tapping on checkout. So from here, all you have to do is choose a payment method. Make sure that you've added a payment method. Then you will find the summary of your pricing and everything here, including your shipping fee. If you have a promo code, you can tap on promo codes here and then enter the promo code to apply the discount, and then tap on place order. After placing order, your order will have been placed and you have basically bought your first item from AliExpress. So what you can instead do of this is, if you want to buy a single stuff, you can directly buy them as well. So let's say that I want this mouse. Again, so this is not available. Let me go back. So let's say I want this one. Again, not available. If I just go back and choose this watch again, open this up, there should be a buy now option right here. So if you see the buy now option, tap on it and you can directly head over to the transaction section as well. So that's the way, guys, and that's all for today's video. That is how you buy stuff off AliExpress. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.